Hello students, welcome in computer science class. Today we are going to study some program based on in last lecture's tags. Before that we have to see two tags related to font tags. Already we have to see font tags with attributes face, size and color. Size attributes change the size of text relative to 1 to 7 numbers with current font size. So this first tag is big tag. Big tag means is the same effect as font size equal to +1. Whatever effect we get after applying +1, same effect as big tag. Suppose if the already size is largest, tag is ignored. See the example. In angle bracket big SSVM end of /big. This SSVM display in plus increase with +1 size. Next tag is small tag. Small tag has the same effect as -1. Whatever effect we get after applying -1, same effect as small tag. Here also if the already size is smallest, tag is ignored. See the example. In angle bracket small SSVM / small. May SSVM display in decrease 1 size. Next is strike tag. Already I think you know strike. Strike means line drawn middle of the text. Strike is strike tag. It is used for line drawn through the middle of the text. The text enclosed within the tags strike and /strike or shortcut is also used S and /s. See the example. Angle bracket S, mad word is here, then end of /s. S means strike. Output is mad with along with middle of the line. Now see the procedure to prepare and view HTML document is as follows. तुम्हाला आता प्रॅक्टिकली ज्यांच्या घरी PC आहेत त्यांनी PCवर नोटपॅड ओपन करायचं आहे. आता मी जे स्टेप सांगल त्या स्टेपनी मी आज जे प्रोग्राम घेणार आहे ते चारही प्रोग्राम रन करून बघायचे सर्वांनी. मला फीडबॅक द्यायचा आहे सर्वांनी. नाउ सी द प्रोसिजर. First step, open a text editor means which text editor notepad is open. Second, write the appropriate HTML code. तुम्हाला जे कोडिंग लिहायचे नोटपॅड ओपन केल्यानंतर तिथं कोडिंग लिहायला स्टार्ट करायचे. Then third step, save the HTML code in a file having extension HTML. Extension part means after dot part. Suppose तुम्ही एक्सेल फाईल सेव्ह करता. सपोज ABC फाईल नेम असेल abc.xml. .xml इज एक्सटेन्शन. सपोज पॉवरपॉईंट फाईल असेल तर देन .ppt इज एक्सटेन्शन. ओके. सपोज टेक्स्ट फाईल असेल .txt इज एक्सटेन्शन. देन same like here HTML file save as .html. See the example. Suppose for example page 1 is file name. You can give any name of that file. Then page1.html. Always remember each coding save in .html means extension of that file is .html is must. Then double click after saving that file, double click on that file. Then see the output on web browser. जेव्हा तुम्ही फाईल सेव्ह करताल सेव्ह झाल्यानंतर ज्या पाथला तुम्ही फाईल सेव्ह केली असेल सपोज C:D: किंवा डॉक्युमेंट go that file, search that file and click on that file. Double click, not only click, double click on that file. Display your output on web browser. Suppose error in your HTML code, then again open that file. If whatever changes you can, then again save that file and again same procedure follow. Double click on that file and run that file on web browser or display your output on web browser. See the first program. Computer shop, title of the page. Title XYZ computers Limited, text size H3 bold, address Shakti Complex Aurangabad, dealer in all types of peripherals, text size H1 italic. See the output. First tag is always start from HTML. So here first tag is HTML. Then title of the page. What is the title of the page? Computer science. Where it is right? Under head section. And then head tag, under head section, title tag. In title give title computer shop, then slash title means end of title, then end of head section, that is slash head. Then remaining all coding, write in which tag? Body tag. Then write body tag. Then next statement is title XYZ Computers Limited. What is the text size? H3, and also display in bold. Text size H3 means already we have to seen H1 to H7 heading tags. So here which heading tag is used? H3. So write here H3, then used bold, then again in separate angle bracket write bold, then title XYZ Computers Limited, then end of slash bold tag means slash B, and end of slash heading tag means H3 tag. If more than one tag you can use in simultaneously, then first tag close at last. Now next is just sentence, address Shakti Complex Aurangabad, then use paragraph tag, then P, address Shakti Complex Aurangabad and slash P. Now next sentence is dealer in all types of peripherals. Text size is H1 and also display in italics. So here also heading tag is used H1. Okay, then next angle bracket I is used because that statement display in italic. Then dealer in all types of peripherals, then end of H1 and end of italic tag. इथं उलटे झालेले. It is also correct but sequentially end, do end. Then end of slash body and end of last tag means HTML slash HTML. Now next example, see the introduction, title of the page, computer science, text size H1 bold, then horizontal rule, not underline, horizontal line, then E. Balgaruswamy, underline word means this word display with underline, again horizontal line, then Achyut S. Godbole, text size H4. See the coding. First tag is HTML, then title of the page means which tag is used, heading section means head tag, then head tag, under head tag which tag, title tag, in title tag give the title introduction, then slash title, then slash head, then next is body section will be start body, under body tag, next statement is computer science. What is the text size? H1 and also display in bold tag. Then first write down H1 tag, then write bold tag means B, then word is computer science, then close first B tag means slash B, and then end of H1 tag means heading tag. H1 means largest tag and H7 is smallest tag. Next is under below computer science, horizontal line will be displayed. For horizontal line which tag is used? HR tag is used. Then write here only HR. HR means horizontal rule or horizontal line. Then next is E. Balgaruswamy, underline word. Underline word means underline U tag is here used. Then U, E. Balgaruswamy slash U. Okay, below that again display horizontal line means HR, again write HR tag. Then last one is text size H4 which Achyut S. Godbole means here again use H4 heading tag, then H4 अच्युत S गोडबोले आणि स्लॅश ऑफ H4. Then end of which tag now? Body tag, and then end of HTML tag. Understand? Now next, these programs are asked in board paper 5 marks. Always remember, the 2 programs are asked compulsory. So total 10 marks. One for writing coding and one for writing output. Then see the how to write output. See the question. Write an exact output of the following HTML code with font specifications in bracket. Font specifications in bracket means what is the formatting or tags are used. Write in brackets. If don't write, then less 1 mark. See the HTML in bracket angle bracket H1 align equal to center HSC syllabus slash H1. Next line H3 paper 1 slash H3. Next line H3 to know more about slash H3. Next line P means paragraph tag. Just click on here. Next here BR means break tag. Then B means bold tag, data structure, end of bold tag. Then again BR, again bold tag, then GUI word, then slash B, again BR, again B tag, HTML, then slash B, again BR, bold tag, C++, slash B, again BR, bold tag, VB slash B. Then end of slash body, end of slash HTML. Now see the how to write output in above coding. See the output. First line is H1 align center. See here HSC syllabus. What is the text size? H1, and it is also in center. Not necessary to write the center, but text size is H1, right? Compulsory. Next is paper 1. What is the text size? H3. Font size you know, don't know. So here regular font size is used. If font is not given, color is not given, suppose text font is not given, then use by default or regular word is used. Regular font size, regular color is used, by default size is used, like this. Next is H3. To know more about means text size H3, regular font size. Okay. Then next here paragraph. So just here write, just click on here. Not necessary here to write comments. Now next is, see here BR tag. What is the function of BR tag? BR tag means to break the line, that is next word give to the print on the next line. So BR means breaking the tag or breaking the line. So BR. After this data structure will be displayed in bold. Then again BR, then GUI display on next line because of BR tag. See here. Next HTML. HTML is display on next line because of BR. Next C++ display on next line because of BR tag, and VB display on next line because of BR tag. All these BR tags used, so all word display on next line separately. These all words in regular text size and display in bold. Understand? One more program is here. Write an exact output of the following HTML code with font specifications in bracket. See the code. HTML head, here title is given examination, okay, then slash head, then body tag. Here examination नंतर बघा greater than sign एक राहिलेले by mistake. H1, then B means bold tag, first semester exam slash B slash H1. Then HR means horizontal line. Then U means underline tag, mathematics / U. Again HR means horizontal line. Then U, statistics / U, HR. Then again U, biology / U. Again HR, horizontal line. Then after horizontal line, display with text size H5, MSEC board. Then end of H5, then end of body tag and end of HTML tag. Then see the output, how to display this output with font specification. See, first one is examination. What is examination? Examination is title of the page. See here in brackets, bracket specification. What is the bracket specification? Examination is title of the page. Next is first semester exam. What is the size of this first semester exam? Bold with display bold and H1 size. Okay. Now next is horizontal. HR means horizontal line. So below that display horizontal line. Next is mathematics along with underline, and after mathematics also display horizontal line. Next again statistics along with underline. After statistics, below that horizontal line will be display. Then again biology word is display along with underline. Then again horizontal line will be display, and last one is MACC board. What is the text size of MACC board? Text size H5. H5 is heading tag. So write in bracket text size H5. Okay. Then end of body, end of that output. Assignment is also given. Complete this assignment. Every student write in separate notebook and send on my personal WhatsApp number.